So how to we can renewal the domain? How to we can renewal the domain? Any renewal will be finished on your any domain. The renewal exit date will be 7 working days. Suppose your date will be expired. Exactly the domain working for 7 days. After 7 days, total domain will be expired. But we can renewal up to they give the 1 month of time. Within a 1 month, if you not renewal your domain, the domain totally delete your account list. So any domain will be renewal. First of all, need by your login access. After login, click for my products. Click for my products. What are the domains will be totally give the my product option. My product option. In this, every domain expire on 22/6/2019. Already expired my domain, but still my website is working. Why? Any domain renewal will exceed up to 7 days. They give time. Copy, paste. Site is working. Site is working. Just how to renewal? Click for renewal your domain. Select your which domain are you renewal. Select here. Continue to cart. Any renewal domain will possible for 1 year to 10 years. 1 year to 10 years. So select here 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. Go for 1 year. 956. Go for 2 years. 2200. So compare with the 1 year 956. Second year will be 956. Maximum 900. But the showing for 2200 is the highest price. Coming to 3 years. 3-4. Price was increased. So we'll go for 1 year. Any domain first time will be purchased. 2 years and 3 years will give the discounts. Renewal time always set by 1 year. After that, add your payment process. Select by the net banking. When payment option will be select, they're going to complete purchase. Select your complete purchase. Go to your bank details. Select net banking. Add your banking option. Select by the make a payment. Add your bank details and the procedure. So after adding bank details, are going to process. Last will asking for OTP option. So enter your OTP option. Based on request. Click for submit. Finally, your domain will be renewal for how many years? Only for 1 year. If anybody asking question, after purchasing any domain, can you renewal the date based on the years? First to check the price. Mostly, after renewal will be every 1 year is better. Suppose they give any discount renewal time 2 years and 3 years. Go for 2 years and 3 years. But renewal time will most purchase by domain will be only for 1 year. It's a very important interview question, and this will be asking for your alphabet choice also. So any domain will be renewal how many years? 1, 2, 3 or more. Any domain will be renewal up to 10 years only. So every domain renewal will be 1 year is the better price. So it done. Done your price. Select your my product. Previous they showing for renewal. Now it will go for. They're going to down in the process. Right? Renewal is done. they're going to down in the option. So any domain will renewal by the particular only for 1 year. So very important by the particular domain renewal